equals 10. Now we have another low loop, which is do until. So do until works in somehow a different way, because we want to execute until a condition is true. So let's say this is a demonstration of do till. So, and let's say we start with x being 7 and it's do until we want to keep on running this loop until x is greater than 10. So this is x plus 1 and we end and run. So let me quickly explain. A do until execute statements inside a do loop until a condition is true. So is 7 greater than 10? No, that is not the truth. So it increment x, it becomes 8. Is 8 greater than 10? No, so it keeps on until x is greater than 10. So let's run this. And we have 11 because 11 is greater than 10.